My name is Muhammad Radwan. I am an architecture and .NET team leader in OTS. Okay, uh, our topic today is adapter design pattern with factory pattern. Okay, let's go to the topic. Let's describe what is the problem and why we're using adapter design pattern. We have three clients, and these clients have any methods. This method is just creating a target object and calling the only method exists there, it is request. So target has one method is request, and all this client is using it. This is very fine. Okay, now if I have another class like adaptee, this class has another method calling specific request. So all you can say that, okay, client 1 will create an instance of adaptee and start calling specific requests, the same as this. So it's called adaptee a new adaptee and a dot specific request. That's right, but actually we can't access this class. We can't change the calling. We need to call request, and this is the adapter design pattern. Adapter design pattern is the changing the interface to specific interface. So I need to change adaptee interface from a specific request to request. So all these clients can work with adaptee using request method. Is that clear? Okay. All I want to do is create an instance of adaptee and calling request, not a specific request. And to doing this, I will make an adapter class. An adapter class will inherit from target. By inheriting from target, he will has the request and will have an instance of adaptee has a association. And by associating adaptee, he can't overload delegated to it. So now adapter class, as you can see, will have an instance of adaptee and will inherit from target. So now I can go to here, and regarding of creating new target, I will create new adapter, and this will help, and this will solve the problem. By creating new adapter, now I can call t.requests. Why we can creating adapter? Because adapter class is inherit from target, so I can put an instance of adapter in target type. So the question why we use this, why we didn't change the specific request method to be request? Because I don't have access definition to this class. This class is .NET class, for example. How you can access a .NET class and change this method? You can't. So you need to adapt this class by using adapter class. Just has this class as a member variable and inherit the target class and start. All this client will work with adapter as they are working with target objects. Okay, let's make a factory class. We'll play some very helpful role. Why we use this? Why we didn't use a factory? So by making factory, so the factory can create target. He can create new adapter, can create new target, can create any target you want. So I will put here regarding of using new adapter, I will calling factory dot create target, and this will create the adapter, and this code will never change. So now if these classes I don't have access definition here, and I don't have access definition here, I still can adopt this client to work with adaptee. Again please, okay, now if I don't have access definition here, I don't have access definition here. What does the mean of access definition? I can't change this code, I can't change this code, but I can still making this client call this class. How? By using this technique, by using here factory. So factory dot create target. So if I have another class here and he has method and I will need to call this method, so I will make an adapter that has an instance of a class 1 and inherit from target, and the request will call the method. Okay, and then factory will start to create this class. But class 1 must be a target. Actually it will not create class 1, it will return the adapter that has class 1. Get the point? So you will never change this class 1 or this client. All you have to change is the factory code, the adapter code. This all what you need to change. Just adapter will have an instance of the class and will inherit from target, and the factory will create the appropriate type for this client. Okay, let me add new value. Regarding of using target, we will use iTarget, and this will make our design is very powerful. And of course I will make target here inherit from iTarget. Succeed. By making iTarget, this give powerful for our design. I recommended you to listen to the session that talking about why we using interface. You can find in the same channel in Google, YouTube, or in my blog. Thank you.